This is our very first official distribution from the Ministry of the People's Social Development and Family Services. Let me first say it is both an honor and privilege to address you today as we continue to advance the unwavering mission of the Ministry of the People's Social Development and Family Services to uplift, empower, and protect the vulnerable and marginalized citizens of our beloved Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. I am pleased as a result to announce that 8 deserving households will receive a total of over $82,000 in assistance today as part of this effort. 8 households and in turn 31 beneficiaries based on our household amounts. These grants are more than just financial support. They affirm that as a nation, we do not abandon our own citizens in time of their greatest need. And today's gathering underscores the power of social intervention and the government's deep-seated commitment to protecting citizens in times of crisis. The ministry's disaster relief program, administered through the National Social Development Program, is an essential response mechanism that provides timely support to individuals and families affected by unforeseen hardships, whether natural or man-made. In this case, flooding. These grants are not considered a handout, but a hand up. And at the heart of our ministry's mandate lies a deeply held conviction: the people come first and every citizen matters.